A tractor is a powerful vehicle designed to pull or push heavy loads and operate tools or machines, most commonly used in farming to plow fields, plant crops, and transport materials. In technical terms, a tractor is a motorized vehicle engineered primarily for high torque or pulling power at low speeds rather than speed itself. Unlike trucks or cars, which are optimized for transportation, tractors are built to transfer power from their engine to mechanical implements through systems such as the power takeoff shaft, hydraulics, or drawbar. This ability allows tractors to pull plows, harrows, and trailers, power stationary equipment such as pumps or threshers, and provide mobility in rugged or muddy terrain through large rear wheels or continuous tracks. A tractor differs from other machines in that its essential function is traction and power delivery, not passenger transport. The word tractor comes from the Latin tractus, meaning drawn or pulled, from the verb trahere, which means to pull, drag, or draw. It entered English in the early 20th century as a shortened form of tractor engine, a phrase describing a machine that pulled loads in place of draft animals. The linguistic root is shared with words like attract, contract, and traction. Before tractors, farming relied on horses, oxen, and steam-powered traction engines, which were large road-going steam engines used for hauling and plowing. The first gasoline-powered tractors appeared around 1892 when John Froelich in Iowa built an early model. At that time, such machines were often called traction engines, a term that evolved into the modern tractor. In the interwar and post-war expansion period, particularly from the 1920s to the 1950s, tractors rapidly replaced draft animals on farms, dramatically increasing agricultural productivity. The Fordson, introduced in 1917, was among the first mass-produced tractors, and much like the Ford Model T revolutionized automobiles, it transformed farming. In the modern era, tractors range from small garden models to massive machines equipped with satellite guidance, advanced hydraulics, and even autonomous operation. Today, tractors are no longer limited to farming. They have applications across agriculture, construction, forestry, landscaping, and industry. In farming, they are used for plowing, planting, harvesting, spraying, and hauling. In construction, tractors take specialized forms such as bulldozers, loaders, and excavators. Forestry uses include skidders and log-hauling tractors, while compact tractors serve in landscaping and groundskeeping on golf courses, parks, and estates. Tractors are also vital in military and industrial use, towing aircraft, artillery, and heavy loads. Beyond the physical world, the concept of a tractor extends metaphorically into science fiction, where a tractor beam refers to an invisible pulling force. Metaphorically extending the original meaning of pulling or dragging, the word tractor also has regional variations in usage. In the United States, tractor almost always means an agricultural vehicle, although the front section of a semi-truck is also called a tractor in the phrase tractor-trailer. In the United Kingdom, tractors are primarily associated with agriculture, though construction variants are also widely recognized. In India and South Asia, tractors are vital for smallholder farms and are often used for both agriculture and rural transport. In Eastern Europe and Russia, tractors became heavily associated with Soviet-era mechanization drives, when large-scale collective farming relied extensively on them. In some informal or humorous urban slang, tractor can refer to slow-moving or rugged vehicles. For younger audiences or non-technical readers, tractors can be understood with analogies. One way to imagine it is as a horse that never gets tired. That is what a tractor is for farmers. While a car is like a racehorse built for speed, a tractor is like an ox built for strength and endurance. Another way to see it is as a mobile power source on wheels. It does not just move itself, but powers other machines as well. Examples of tractors include brands such as John Deere, Kubota, New Holland, Massey Ferguson, Mahindra, and Case IH. Tractors come in different categories depending on their purpose. Compact tractors are small, versatile machines designed for gardens, estates, or small farms. Utility tractors are general-purpose farm vehicles suitable for medium tasks. Row crop tractors are specialized for planting and cultivating row crops. Articulated tractors are very large machines with jointed frames used for heavy-duty fieldwork. Track tractors replace wheels with continuous tracks for better traction on soft ground. Industrial and construction tractors take specialized forms like bulldozers, loaders, and graders. Culturally, tractors hold symbolic significance as well. They represent farming and independence, often seen as icons of rural life and agricultural self-reliance. They embody industrial progress and the shift from animal to machine labor. In countries like India, tractors symbolize rural development, while in the United States, they are woven into the cultural image of the farmer. Tractors also appear in popular culture, from children's toys like Tractor Tom and Pixar's Cars to political imagery and literature, where they stand as symbols of hard work, productivity, and modernization. In concise summary, a tractor is a motorized vehicle designed primarily to deliver high pulling power at low speeds, used to haul, push, or operate machinery in agriculture, construction, forestry, and industry. Derived from the Latin trahere, meaning to pull,